Welcome to Automate Business app. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to watch tutorials from the Automate Business app through the web. So let's get started by logging into the Automate app with your credentials. Once you are logged into the Automate Task app, navigate to the Support section from the left, and then look for the Tutorial section and click on it. Here you will get a tutorial for the Task app. You can simply select the stage you are on and browse through the list to check out the tutorials. And if you want to watch the tutorials for Leave in Attendance app, you can simply click on the Leave in Attendance section. Here you can watch all the tutorials for Leave in Attendance app, which will help you how to apply leave, how to apply regularization. You have now learned how to watch tutorials from Automate Business. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful guides.